coming in right now, Republic TV. An encounter is underway in Jammu's Doda district between terrorists and security forces in the forest area in Jammu and Kashmir's Doda district. The encounter started around 9:50 a.m. amid intensified search and rescue and the cordon operations by the police along with the army and the CRPF. Back-to-back encounters in the past few weeks now. Let's go to Gursimran joining us right now. Gursimran, take us through what we are seeing on a screen. Some visuals are coming in. This is from earlier today from Doda, Jammu and Kashmir. Encounter underway between terrorists and security forces in the area.
Yes, Shivangi, this is a big success for the Doda police as the intelligence-based operation by the DIG Doda Kishtwar Ramban region has led to a successful operation in which 3 to 4 Pakistani terrorists have been trapped. This is the same group of the terrorists that have attacked the constable of the Jammu and Kashmir police when they were approaching the hideout of the terrorists in the upper reaches of the Gando. It was on the 13th of June when the constable Farid got injured while chasing these terrorists, and now these terrorists have been trapped once again. We have got access to some of the drone footages that clearly show that 2 terrorists have been hit by the security forces and they are lying near a dhok, the visuals of which we have also accessed, that the terrorist can be seen lying near the dhok. It is one of the biggest operations if we speak of this year, as the security forces have managed to encircle a large group of 3 to 4 Pakistani terrorists in the area, and it is believed that this operation is going to be one of the successful operations. Reasons being that the operation has started early today morning and the terrorists have no option to take the advantage of the darkness. The special forces of the Indian Army, including the 9 para, has also been inducted into the operation along with the Jammu and Kashmir police and the 4 Rashtra Rifles, which is located in the Doda. And this operation is going to be big success as the recently infiltrated group of the Pakistani terrorists that is active in the area for around 1 month that has now been trapped. And the senior officials, including the ADG Jammu zone, we are told that he is also heading towards the operation site. The regular firing is underway as the terrorists have been trapped, but yes, a big success ahead of the Amarnath Yatra, as we are less than 48 hours to the Amarnath Yatra, and this group of Pakistani highly trained terrorists has been trapped by the security forces. Shivangi.
Right. And Gursimran, take our viewers through what do we know so far about these terrorists? Where are they hiding? Do they belong to any specific terror group, maybe LET?
See, what we are getting to know, since the Kashmir Tigers is claiming the responsibility behind all the attacks, so it is believed that this could be a Jaish group, because Kashmir Tigers is the mouthpiece of Jaish-e-Mohammed, and the terrorists are hiding in a dhok, which is a temporary structure used by the Gujars and the Bakrawals to stay during the summers and the winters in the upper reaches. In the winters, they vacate these dhoks, and these dhoks have been occupied by the terrorists. That was the information that was generated by the DIG DKR team, after which the operation was launched. We are told that the SSP and the SP operations are on the ground in the operations, and it is believed that very soon there will be an official confirmation that they have managed to get down some of the terrorists. 2 terrorists were seen lying after they were hit by the security forces in the drone footage that is also available with the Republic TV. Shivangi.